We thought we understood the universe. We thought space expansion was settled science. But we were wrong. The James Webb Space Telescope, in combination with Hubble, has just delivered what appears to be the most disturbing confirmation in the history of modern astronomy. The universe does not behave the way we believed. Decades of cosmological theory are falling apart. Measurements that were once consistent now appear to be in direct contradiction. And what's worse, there may be a force beyond the known universe altering the laws of physics themselves. This isn't just a crisis in theory. This is a complete collapse of our understanding of space, time, and possibly reality itself. It started as an ambitious idea. Combine the near-infrared power of the James Webb Space Telescope with the visible light precision of Hubble. The result would be a clearer, deeper look into the early universe than ever before. But what astronomers found was not beauty. It was contradiction. They discovered a massive galaxy, ZFG UDS 7329, so large and so old that it shouldn't even exist. According to current cosmological models, the early universe didn't have enough matter or time to form such a structure. And this was just the beginning. More galaxies emerged. Black holes appeared too massive for their age. And then came the most devastating data point of all. The universe is expanding at different speeds depending on where you look. For years, astronomers used the Hubble constant to calculate how fast the universe is expanding. But now, James Webb and Hubble have delivered seemingly incompatible results based on direct observations of Cepheid variable stars and distant galactic formations. Adam Rees, Nobel Prize winner and lead researcher, declared, if measurement errors are ruled out, the only explanation left is that we fundamentally misunderstood the universe. This mismatch isn't a small discrepancy. It's a chasm, one that threatens the foundation of the standard Big Bang expansion model. Some call it a tension. Others now call it what it truly is, a crisis. Just when the scientific world was reeling, astrophysicist Rajendra Gupta made a radical claim. The universe isn't 13.7 billion years old. It's nearly 27 billion. According to Gupta, we've misunderstood the nature of space itself. He argues that light doesn't simply stretch, it hides information, and that what we've been interpreting as dark matter and dark energy might not exist at all. His model eliminates the need for mysterious cosmic forces and instead suggests that our very idea of the vacuum is wrong. If true, that would mean everything from Einstein's general relativity to quantum field theory needs rewriting. Other physicists now suggest something even more bizarre, that our universe is being influenced by something outside of it. They propose that the irregular expansion could be caused by gravitational forces from a neighboring universe pulling on ours from beyond the observable boundary. This isn't science fiction. It is based on real mathematical modeling and observations made by James Webb and Hubble. And it would explain why, the farther we look, the more broken the laws of physics appear. The conclusion is unsettling. We may not be alone, not just in space, but in reality itself. For years, dark energy was a mysterious force believed to push the universe apart. It was a placeholder, an elegant patch used to explain the accelerating expansion observed in deep space galaxies. But now, James Webb's data is tearing that idea apart. If expansion varies by region, and if galaxies are forming faster and earlier than expected, dark energy may not exist at all. Instead, something else, something undetected, may be influencing the structure of the cosmos. And if dark energy collapses as a theory, it means roughly 70% of the known universe was based on a miscalculation. That's not a correction. That's a cosmic identity crisis. While independent researchers publish papers and speak to the press, NASA, ESA, and other space agencies have been unusually quiet. No formal crisis declaration. No retraction of the Lambda CDM model. Just carefully worded statements about data complexity and unexpected discoveries in the early universe. Insiders reportedly describe closed-door meetings among international cosmology councils. One alleged leaked memo reportedly describes the event as a paradigm destabilization point that should not be communicated until public risk is assessed. Why the secrecy? Because admitting that the universe no longer behaves as expected would change everything, from science funding to philosophy, religion, and geopolitics. Some physicists now believe that these inconsistencies aren't about space. They are about time. According to this model, time may not be linear across the universe. In certain regions, time itself could be flowing at a different rate depending on the density of matter, vacuum fluctuations, or even interactions with alternate dimensions. This would explain why distant galaxies appear older than they should be, because they might be living according to a different clock. If true, this fractures the very idea of a universal timeline. It means the Big Bang wasn't necessarily a single event. It may have been a ripple, and we may simply be one wave in a larger multidimensional storm. One final theory, rarely discussed outside the most advanced research groups, is gaining traction. It's called the cosmic phase transition model. According to this theory, universes may undergo shifts in physical laws, just as water freezes into ice or vaporizes into gas. And the strange data from Webb and Hubble could be signs that our universe is on the brink of one. Signs such as unstable constants, mass appearing where it shouldn't, and energy behaving differently in different regions. These aren't glitches. They are precursors. And if the phase shift happens, whether it takes 1,000 years or 1,000 seconds, the laws of physics could rewire in an instant.